Hello, good afternoon, friends. I invited you to come to this beautiful place called Oriental Plains. I am Aweco Dargens and I am very happy to be here in this grand city where the typical is the coleo and the metu llanera living in acacias, and this ancient wonderful is characterized by its touristic sites, such, such as the warfare of Black the Beavers. The Chichimene viewpoints, the Pink Lagoon, and the touristic Malecon. Besides, the people who live in this city is very keen and calm, then you will love it. Bye, thanks.